Hola! This video is about what you can pack in a Rimowa trunk. So this is what we brought for our 3 weeks trip to Spain and Morocco. So we have 2 big luggage, the Rimowa trunk and an Eagle Creek cargo hauler. And we also have a lander backpack which was soaked in the rain last night, and a Gregory hiking backpack that we used for when we hiked in Montserrat. So currently we are in our Airbnb in Arcos de la Frontera to watch the Toro show. Okay, so this is the Rimowa trunk that we brought to our trip in Spain. I can't remember the model, so I'll just put the link in the description below. Okay, it's basically big enough for 2 people traveling for 3 weeks. This is the cover that locks in all your items inside. Second compartment. Okay, so here are all our packing gear. This is a big design tech pouch that contains all of our chargers, cables, universal adapters. This is a small packing cube from Eagle Creek that contains my underwear. This is Tina's from Action, got that from Kickstarter. Also contains underwear. These are all our socks. We have lots of wool socks and no-show socks. And this is my packing cube, a medium Eagle Creek packing cube here. That's a compartment at the back for the clothes, but I don't use it. We brought this Osprey dry bag for our dirty clothes. So we stuff in all our dirty clothes here. So if you want any items in this video, just check out our description. We'll link to all those items that you can find there. This is my jacket, some shirts, baseball caps for both of us, because we did hike in Montserrat. These are Tina's dresses and shirts. This is also, I think, clean and dirty. There's also a dirty compartment here. And this is from Bag and Carry. It's pretty cheap. It's nice. This is another one from Eagle Creek, which lets you compress items inside. This is Tina's. Contains her pants and shirts, lots of them. Another one from Tina. She has 3. She has 3 big ones plus a small one. This has her. Let's see. Oh, this is a shirt that she bought from Barcelona. It's a new one that she forgot already. This is my other packing cube, which contains my pants. This is from REI. It's really nice and has a nice color. And it's also compressible. Although I don't really compress my packing cubes. And then it contains some items that we already bought from Barcelona, magazine, Picasso Museum, some buff wear, scarves. This is Camino de Santiago, Camino de Santiago edition. So another buff hat and my jobby tripod. So once you put them inside, there's still a lot of space inside them. On the other side, here, this is another space. Here we keep an extra duffel bag for when we shop in Madrid a few days from now, and we're also planning to shop in Marrakesh. So we need to have lots of space for the items that we will buy. There's also enough space here for 2 pairs of shoes or a pair of boots. So that's all of it. Let me just pack them back again. So you can see how easy it is to pack and repack everything. There's also another space here for top kit if you want to put the top kit, but we use this one. The Eagle Creek roller bag for other gears.